Football has this huge power to motivate people, to make people feel better about themselves or whoever they're working for, what they're doing in their daily lives.
Such a community club here, everyone knows that, whether you're a player, you're a fan, whether you work here, everyone knows how much community means to AFC Bournemouth, and I think it shows on and off the pitch.
They really do stick together in Bournemouth. You see the same faces at games. Hi, I'm Marcus Tavernier.
I'm Steve Cuss.
I'm Scadding.
I'm here with Vitality,
the official wellness partner of AFC Bournemouth.
AFC Bournemouth have always been a community club, always been a family club, and I could feel that from day one when I arrived.
As soon as I came in, I got welcomed in with the team and the club. They made it as easy as they could for me and made every little process as easy as possible for me as a player so I could concentrate more on my football.
The support we have from the club, the fans, the community, everyone has been incredible, and it's definitely helped myself on my journey and my whole team.
We've got over 50 staff employed within the Community Sports Trust that are all out actively working in the community. That's our role in the community, to deliver lots of different projects, to get people involved, to make them feel part of the football club, but to help with address some issues as well, such as health and mental health. We're in and out of about 20 schools a day, predominantly teaching football and PE lessons, and now we're supporting teachers. So we're looking at mental health workshops, respect workshops, internet safety.
So at the club we've had some visits from children with mental illnesses and things like that, mental health, and for us it just takes 10-15 minutes time out of a day to help them, so it's nothing for us.
I specifically work on the disability programme, so on a Monday night we run our pan disability sessions at Slade, so for anyone that's got a physical or learning disability, they come down and they play as part of AFC Bournemouth, and to be able to see them and help them achieve their dream, which for some of them they could have never imagined, to be able to give back to them is something special.
They give so much for us. They travel up and down the country to see us play. They show us love in the community, so it's good for us to just show our love back to them as well.
Kickstart campaign is one of that, the Cherries Kickstart, encouraging the local community to come and take part in a health and fitness programme, and that health and fitness programme saw us running around the outside of the stadium. We benefited a lot of people in terms of kickstarting their fitness, is what we wanted to do with the name of the programme. For us as a football club, it's a way for us to engage with our community. And certainly on a match day, we do feel that. We feel it every day of the week, if we're being honest. So when we're going into a school or when we're going to go and deliver one of our sessions, we can feel the support for AFC Bournemouth. My job in community isn't to find the next player, but it does happen. You know, we're putting on a lot of different football sessions, and that's our job. You know, social inclusion. We don't want anybody isolated. So a particular session we've got is Premier League Kicks, 8 to 14-year-olds, free football sessions. There's a number of players that have come through there that are playing at very good levels now. Back in 2015, first time we got promoted here to the Premier League. Look at different structures, and we had a women's team here, but it was run by people from outside of the football club, so decided to bring that in-house, and I was asked to look at the women's team, and over the course of that time, from 2015 onwards, we've introduced a number of different pathways for females to get involved.
Sort of started as a little girl playing football, had a big dream to sort of make it into something. So I was just playing at school. My mum used to always say that if we go on a family walk, I've always got a football with me. It's attached to my feet 24/7. Played at school, and I was the only girl playing in the playground lunch break whenever I got the chance. At under 16s, made my way into the youth setup here, and the youth setup, we've seen it grow each year as it comes from when I first started.
We look at the recreational side of it, and how do we get young girls of 5, 6 and 7 enjoying their football, and where's the opportunity for them to play. So that's a lot of what we think about and what we're setting up, and all the initiatives that we have, trying to break down some of those barriers where the girls feel confident enough to come along to sessions and take part in it. Again, utilising the Vitality Stadium here for a lot of our sessions. And then obviously from that we can see the ones that perhaps have got that ability to go on and realise their potential.
I know Steve very well. He's helped me a lot on my journey. At 16, I left school and came to work at the Community Sports Trust. Stayed in education for 2 years and then worked my way up as a full-time coach.
the game's developed and pathways have been created, and even here at AFC Bournemouth now we've got a very clear pathway for a potential of a young player to go all the way through our system and play for the first team and make a career out of it.
I don't think I ever considered playing professional football when I was under 11. I think especially for the women's game back then, I don't think there really was a professional sort of side of it, but I've been obsessed with Bournemouth. It's my home club, so I've always had that aspiration to want to be part of something here, and I know that it's such a special club. I know quite a few of the team that have had similar journeys to me started off in community sessions at Kicks, and they'd turn up and play, and now they're playing for the first team. Sort of in my job now, I don't think we all realise how much of a role model we are, especially to some of the younger girls, not necessarily just in the academy, but when we go to after school clubs, when we come to Kicks in the evening, sort of everyone's always watching us, and some of the little girls want to be like us, and it just shows that no matter what, that they can do the same journey. As soon as those doors open, you've just got to take it with both hands.
Yeah, the big success is seeing young players come through and realise their potential. So yeah, it's a great place to be at the moment, AFC Bournemouth.